Hi there, Roger Connect, President of Universal Accounting Center. Wanted to speak with you today about who are you? Who am I? What I mean by that is this. In our culture, so many people identify themselves by what it is they do for a living, what tasks they perform, what jobs they have. When we're younger, perhaps it's just, here's where I work. But the point is when we get older, one of the things that we need to understand is it's so important that we quickly identify ourselves as not where we work or what tasks we perform, but what career, what profession have we embraced, and where is it that we're passionate. What I'm trying to communicate here is, are you an accountant? Are you a bookkeeper? That's what I'm trying to discuss. So let's have this conversation from a standpoint of the stereotypes we oftentimes deal with. In the accounting world, you might be referred to, have heard perhaps the idea of being a bean counter, someone that actually is a pencil pusher. Well, these things are derogatory, and I hope you're not using them as you're discussing with others what you do for a living. What you want to do is you want to step beyond that. Now, I'm not suggesting just stopping at the point of I do accounting or bookkeeping. I want to actually take it to that next level and actually give you some things to empower you in your career. So the first thing I'd like to do is talk about this statement of I am a successful accountant, bookkeeper, tax preparer. In fact, my clients refer to me as a profit and growth expert. In fact, that right there is what makes the big difference. Now, one of the things that I want to do with this statement here is just try and break it down and try and give it some structure for you. First of all, these are statements of declaration, what it is you do. So, for example, I am an accountant. Well, if you are, then great, state that you are. If you're a bookkeeper, then say that you're a bookkeeper. If you're a tax preparer, then say that you're a tax preparer. But by all means, what are you? What is it that you do for your clients, for your employer, that makes you who you are today? Now, complement that with this other important fact. What I shared with you just a moment ago is this concept of becoming a profit and growth expert. It's something that we here at Universal Accounting Center very much pride ourselves on, helping people within their accounting career identify themselves as being just much more than that accountant or bookkeeper that they might have seen themselves as maybe a month ago, maybe a week ago, maybe a day ago. So here's what I'd like to do is now have you understand that there's so much more in the accounting profession. Look at it this way. What's the difference between a coroner and a doctor? Do you as a bookkeeper, as an accountant, as a tax preparer primarily, looking at the past, trying to explain what happened, or are you more of the doctor, taking the approach of what is potentially possible? What can we do to improve things? What can we do to actually better the situation? Are you proactive that way as you're working with your employer and clients? So, in any case, what is that profit and growth expert? That's what I introduce to you and encourage you to contact Universal Accounting Center and speak with someone today about what is it to become that profit and growth expert and actually make a difference in the lives of business owners who are doing the best that they can do with what it is that they do well. So take care, have a great day, and remember this. If it's about accounting, it is universal. And if it's about accounting success is definitely universal. So have a great day.